So over here, you can see that I got a bunch of files right here, and one of them is a zip file, as you can see right here. So zip file is a compressed file format which can contain one or more files. So you can see that there's a zipper like icon right here denoting that it is a zip file. You can also know whether something is a zip file or not by right clicking on the file and by going into properties right here. So especially when someone is mailing something out to you and they want to mail a lot of things and compress the file size, then you may come across zip files like that. So you can also go around and see if something is a zip file by going around into view and by enabling out the file name extension right here. So once you enable that out, you can see that .zip is shown, which denotes that this is a zip file. So zip file can be opened up directly with the file explorer right here. So if I were to double click, you can see that it opens up the file as usual right here. You can make edits right here, but it is highly suggested not to make edits directly to the zip file right here. So now the zip file is actually a compressed file right here, and what you can do is you can extract. First of all, what you have to do is you have to extract out the file so that the file is usable. So if I were to go around and then click and drag out the file right here, I can go around, select the particular file that I want to extract and click on where I want to extract it. So here you can see there's extract to option right here. So let's say I want to extract this to desktop, and now what happens is that the files get exported out into desktop, as you can see right here, and there are my files right here. Let me just delete this out by pressing out the delete key right here. So let me just expand this, and if you want to extract all of the files, you can click on extract all, and then it'll show you a location where you want to extract this. So let's say I want to extract this to the original folder itself by the name of collection. So it'll be extracted to the collection folder. So now let's click on extract right here, and what happens is that this gets extracted into the collection folder, as you can see right here. So this is collection.zip, but this is collection. So if I were to go to PDF, you can see that there's collection file right here, and there's a collection.zip, as you can see. And that is how you can extract selected files or extract everything in a zip file in Microsoft Windows 11 using File Explorer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.